Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. In this session, we shall learn chapter 2 of class 9, Polynomials and Factorisation. So we have already learned few concepts of this chapter in the earlier videos. So you'll get the videos by clicking on the I button. And in this video, we are going to deal with algebraic identities. Okay, so now what are we waiting for? Let's get started. You have already learned few algebraic identities in your earlier class. Yes, so let us revise them. So it is nothing but x plus y whole square. Now what is x plus y whole square? It is nothing but x square plus 2xy plus y square. Yes. Now what is x minus y whole square? It is nothing but x square minus 2xy plus y square. Okay, so x plus y you have plus 2xy and x minus y you have minus 2xy. Clear? Now what is x minus y into x plus y? It is nothing but x square minus y square. Okay, now what is x plus a into x plus b? It is nothing but x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, expanding this, you have learned this. Yes, in your class 8. Now you can see that all these identities which we have learned in the earlier class contains only two terms. Okay, so it is a binomial. Everywhere you can see it is a binomial. So now in class 9, let us learn trinomial. Okay, so we have learnt binomial identities. Let us learn identities using trinomial. So now what is a trinomial? You have learned that trinomial is nothing but a polynomial which contains three terms is called trinomial. Yes, so x plus y plus z. Is it a trinomial? Here you can see that this is a polynomial containing how many terms? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now what is square of this polynomial? Okay, what is square of x plus y plus z? So let us see. Now let us consider this as a. Okay, so this entire thing x plus y I am considering as a because you know you have a formula for binomial. Okay, since you know that x plus y square equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, this is what you already know. So that is why we are reducing this trinomial to a binomial by considering the first two terms as a. Okay, you can take any letter but I am taking it as a. Clear? So now this is nothing but, so using this identity you can write this as a square plus 2az. Okay, 2xy is nothing but 2az plus you have z square. Okay, so again now here you can see a, you can replace it by x plus y because a is nothing but x plus y you considered. Yes, so replacing it a as x plus y, so you have a square, so x plus y square plus 2 into a is nothing but x plus y into z plus z square. Okay, here again x plus y whole square you can just convert it, so x square plus 2xy plus y square plus, now it is 2 into x into z. Okay, so it is 2xz plus again you have 2 into y into z, so 2yz plus z square. Okay, so again this is nothing but, now let me bring all the square terms together, so x square plus here you have y square plus here you have z square. Okay, now this is nothing but plus 2xy plus 2xz plus 2yz. Okay, now let me finally write it in an order, so x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy, then let us write this plus 2yz plus 2xz. Okay, now in an easier method, x, y, z are cyclic. Okay, they are cyclic. So firstly you will write x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, then you will write 2xy. Okay, then you will write 2yz. Then you will write 2zx or xz. Both are same. Yes. So this is nothing but x plus y plus z whole square. Clear? So this identity also we are going to use now in our calculations to make our calculations easier. Clear? Now let us learn the next identity. So x plus y whole cube. Okay, so how can you write x plus y whole cube? So you know that a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. Yes, so same basis, the powers are different, so you will add the powers, okay, with the base. Clear? So now you have x plus y whole cube, so I am splitting it as x plus y whole square into x plus y. Okay, now x plus y is nothing but x plus y to the power 1. Yes, now you can see it is like a square into a. Okay, it is like a square into a, and you can write it as a cube. Yes, so it is x cube. Clear? Sorry, x plus y whole cube. Clear? So using this, now you already know the formula of x plus y whole square, so it is nothing but x square plus 2xy plus y square, and you have x plus y. Okay, x plus y to the power 1 is nothing but x plus y. Now using distributive property, let us distribute here. Okay, so it is x square plus 2xy plus y square into x. Okay, this whole thing into x plus again this whole thing into y. Okay, so x square plus 2xy plus y square into y. Clear? Now again distributive property, so this is nothing but x square into x. X square into x is nothing but what? It is x cube. Okay, same exponents formula, you can use a power m into a power n. So this is x cube plus 2xy into x. 2xy into x. Okay, so this is nothing but 2 x into x is x square. So you have 2x square y here. Clear? Now plus y square x plus y square x, or you can write x y square. Okay, now plus you have x square y. Okay, plus you have 2xy into y, so it is 2xy square plus y square into y is nothing but y cube. Okay, now just write them in an order. So first x cube plus y cube. Okay, so all the cubes I brought it together. Next let us write the squares. Plus here you have 2x square y. Okay, and here you have x square y. Okay, so both are x square y terms. Yes, so this is 2x square y and this is x square y. So 2x square y plus x square y is nothing but what? 3x square y. Okay, it is like 2x plus 3x, the same term, they are like terms. See, this is x square y, this is x square y. So when you add, it becomes 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, plus here you have xy square. And here also you have 2xy square. Okay, so these two are like terms. So adding, it gives you 3xy square. Clear? Y cube we have already written here. Clear? So this is nothing but x plus y whole cube. You can write it in this way. Clear? Now similar way you can write x minus y whole cube also. How? So here also you will use the same concept. It is x minus y whole square into x minus y. Okay, a square into a. Clear? A cube equal to a square into a. So this is nothing but, now x minus y whole square is what? X square minus 2xy plus y square into, you have x minus y. Okay, so again same distributing, it is x square minus 2xy plus y square into, you will multiply with x, and you have minus y into x square minus 2xy plus y square. Clear? Just I am distributing x to this and y to this. Clear? Now again what do you have? X into x square is x cube minus x into 2xy is 2x square y plus xy square. Okay, and you have minus yx square is nothing but x square y. Okay, minus into minus is plus 2xy into y is 2xy square, and minus into plus is minus y cube it is. Okay, now let us rearrange the terms. This is nothing but, first you have x cube, then write y cube, so it is minus y cube. Be careful with the sign, you have a minus for y cube. Okay, then you have minus 2x square y minus x square y. Okay, so these two are like terms. Yes, so minus 2x square y minus x square y is nothing but what? Minus 3x square y. Okay, and you have xy square and plus 2xy square. Okay, plus xy square and plus 2xy square gives you what? Plus 3xy square. Okay, so this is nothing but x minus y whole cube. Clear? So this is another identity which we are going to use now. Clear? So x plus y whole cube is nothing but x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square, and x minus y whole cube is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Okay, so usually we remember these identities. Okay, you try to remember them, but just in case in your examinations, if you are confused, especially in this x minus y whole cube, if you are confused where to write the negative sign, so you will just derive it in this way. Okay, so that is the reason I have showed you the complete derivation, so that even just in case if you are confused also, you can derive it then and there in the exam. Okay, so it just takes 2 minutes to derive, not even 2 minutes. Clear? Moving on to the next identity. Sometimes you find question in this form. Okay, so then what do? We shall use this identity. Okay, so nothing but this term you will multiply with each of x, y and z. Okay, so x into, this is nothing but x into this complete term, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, then you have y, so plus y into again this entire term, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, and then you have z, so plus z into again the entire term, so x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, now this is nothing but distributive, so you will just multiply x with each of these terms. Okay, so x into x square is x cube plus x into y square is xy square plus this is xz square minus x into xy, so x square y. Okay, x into x is x square and you have y minus you have x y z, so x y z minus z into x is x square z. Clear? Simple calculations. Plus you have x square into y is x square y plus y into y square is y cube plus y into z square is yz square minus here it is x into y, so it is x y square minus here it is y into z, so y square z minus y into zx, so xyz. Okay, so this is xyz. Clear? Now moving on to this term, this is nothing but plus z x square or x square z plus z y square plus it is z into z square is z cube. Okay, and you have minus xyz minus yz square minus z square x. Clear? Now what do? We shall find any common terms, if there are any common terms or not. Okay, so this is nothing but x cube plus you have xy square here. Okay, this is xy square. Now check if there is any xy square again. So here you have xy square. Okay, and here no, so you have xy square here and here, so this is plus xy square and this is minus xy square, so they get cancelled. Clear? Now moving on to the next term, you have xz square. So check if there is any xz square again. So checking, so here you have xz square. Okay, z square x or xz square is the same, so it is minus xz square and this is plus, so they get cancelled. Now you have minus x square y. Again check, here you have minus x square y, here you have plus x square y, they get cancelled. So you have minus xyz. Okay, here you have 1 minus xyz, here you have another minus xyz, so this is 1, 2 and this is 3. Okay, so 3 times you are adding minus xyz, so it is minus 3xyz. Okay, so this also we solved. Now see here you have minus x square z, so check if there is any x square z again, so here you have. Okay, so you have x square z minus, here x square z is plus, cancel. Again moving on, now you have y cube, just write y cube here. Okay, and you have yz square, here you have yz square, this is minus and this is plus, they get cancelled. Okay, moving on, you have y square z here and see here you have z y square or y square z is same, here you have plus y square z and this minus, so they get cancelled. Okay, and you are left out with plus z cube. Okay, and this minus xyz we have already solved. Okay, so this is nothing but x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. See, such a big polynomial, multiplication of such big polynomial, and you have got such a simple answer. Yes, so you can, whenever you find something, some question in this form, you can simply use this identity to solve it. Clear? So let us use identities to solve few questions. Okay, so you have to factorize this. Okay, so now by just looking at this, you can just see that it is of the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, so let us bring it in that form. So this is a cube plus, so 2 is nothing but 2 cube, so this is nothing but 2 cube into b cube. Okay, so can I write as 2b whole cube? Yes, but you have a minus, so let me write minus 2b whole cube. Okay, here also plus, now 64 you can write as 4 cube. Why? You know that 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s is nothing but 64. Okay, so this is nothing but 4c whole cube, but you have minus, so you'll write minus 4c whole cube. Clear? And this is nothing but 24abc is 3xyz. It is in the form of 3xyz. Okay, here x is, now you can see x is 3 into x is a into y is minus 2b. Okay, and this is minus 4c. Clear? So now let us compare this with the original standard form. We have learned this identity just now. So it is nothing but x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Did we learn this just now? So it is x is a here, y is minus 2b, z is minus 4c. Okay, so minus 3 into x into y into z. Clear? So what is the identity? It is nothing but x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, so this is the identity. Clear? Always you see x, y, z are in cyclic order, so you don't miss the order. So here you see x plus y plus z, again you have squares, x square, y square, z square, then you have xy, yz, zx. Clear? So remember them in cyclic order so that there is no confusion for you. Clear? So now we have this form. Okay, this is in this form. You have to factorize it. That means you have to find the factors. Nothing but now x plus y plus z will be one factor and this is the other factor. Clear? Now you know what is x, y and z from this. So what is x? X is a, y is minus 2b and z is minus 4c. Clear? So now substituting here, so x plus y plus z is nothing but what? A plus minus 2b plus minus 4c. Okay, this into x square is a square plus y square is minus 2b square plus z square is minus 4c square minus you have xy. Xy is nothing but a into minus 2b. Okay, and then you have yz, so minus 2b into z is minus 4c. Clear? And then you have minus z x, so it is minus 4c into a. Okay, so while substitution you have to be very careful because all these are algebraic expressions and you may get confused. So this is nothing but again a, plus into minus is minus 2b, plus into minus is minus 4c. Okay, simple. Now here it is a square, okay, plus minus 2b whole square. So minus 2 square into b square it is, yes, so minus 2 square is minus 2 into minus 2, so 2 2s are 4 and minus into minus is plus, yes, so this is nothing but 4b square, so it is plus 4b square. Clear? Now again this is also in the same form, it is plus minus 4 into minus 4 is 16, so this is 16c square minus, you have minus into minus, so it is plus a into 2b, so it is 2ab. Okay, again minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. Okay, so 2 into 4 is 8, you have b into c, so 8bc. Clear? Now this is minus into minus is plus and it is 4ac, so 4ac. Clear? So now you can clearly see that this is one factor and this is the other factor. You may find problem like this, so you have to evaluate 99 whole cube. So how do you do that? 99 you can write as 100 minus 1. Okay, so this is 100 minus 1 whole cube. 99 cube you can write as 99 as 100 minus 1. You have cube here. Okay, so this is of the form x minus y whole cube. What is the formula? It is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y and plus 3xy square. Okay, so using that, so here x is what? X is 100, and what is y? Y is 1. Okay, it is not minus 1, it is 1 because you have minus here and minus here. So y is simply 1. Clear? So now substituting, so in that RHS, so it is x cube is 100 cube minus y cube is 1 cube minus 3 x square. X square is 100 square into y plus 3 into x is 100 into y square is 1 square. Clear? So this is 100 cube is 100. So cube means you will multiply 100 3 times. So you will get how many zeros? 2 zeros will be repeated 3 times. So 1 2 1 2. Okay. So 2 zeros it is repeated 3 times. First time, second time, third time. Okay. Simple multiplication. Minus 1 cube is 1 minus 3 into 100 square is what? It is 2 zeros repeated 2 times. So plus you have 3 into 100 is 300 into 1 is 300. Okay. So this is nothing but 10 lakh. Okay. And you have minus 1. 3 into 10,000 is minus 30,000 plus 300 you have. Okay. So this is nothing but now 10 lakh and 300 are plus. So we'll add them. So it is 10 lakhs 300. Okay, and you have minus 1 and minus 30,000. So adding both you have 30,000 and 1. Clear? Now just subtraction this is. So 10 lakh 300 minus 30,000 and 1. Okay, so subtracting what do you get? So this is 2. So 992 comma, so this is again carrying, so 0 7 9. Okay, so you get 9702999 lakhs 70,299. So by simple addition you got the answer using identities. Now moving on to the next model of question, you have, it is given that x plus y plus z is 0 and you have to show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is 3xyz. Okay, so we have learned the identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is what? It is nothing but x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, this is what we learned, identity. Now they are saying that x plus y plus z is 0. Okay, so substituting here, this is 0, x plus y plus z is 0. Okay, now 0 into this entire thing will be what? It will be 0. Okay, so you got x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz as what? As 0, since this is 0. Okay, 0 into something is again 0. Clear? So now x cube plus y cube plus z cube is nothing but, now send 3xy to the other side, so it becomes plus 3xyz. Okay, so this is what you have to show. Yes, so it is proved. Clear? So very simple. Now it's your time to do it yourself. So here a plus b plus c is 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is 26 and you have to find a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so by just looking at it you can see you have x plus y plus z, okay, xy plus yz plus zx, and you have x square plus y square plus z square. So all these terms are indicating what? So you can use the algebraic identity x plus y plus z whole square. So using that identity you will get the answer very easily. So this brings us to the end of this chapter and I hope you have understood every concept of this chapter. If yes, then give this video a big thumbs up. Also write in the comment section how did you like this session and if you want anything more from Math Facilitator, and also subscribe to the channel because subscription is free of cost and your subscriptions, your likes are energy for us to do more and more for you. So do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.